Welcome to the VEX Robotics Competition referee training videos, designed for both referees and teams. This is Chapter 8, Specific Game Rules. While there are many rules that remain the same each year in the VEX Robotics Competition, there are always a set of rules that are game-specific. Some of these rules, such as starting position and autonomous rules, have been mentioned in previous chapters, but we wanted to make sure referees were aware of the remaining specific rules in this section. For example, Rule SG5 states that balls may not be descored from the tops of goals, meaning that if a red robot wants to remove a blue ball at the top of the goal, they'll have to cycle through all of the other balls beneath it first. It is expected that when removing balls from the bottom of a goal, balls at the top of the same goal may momentarily go above the top edge of the goal. This would not be a violation of this rule, and is considered to be normal gameplay. If the match ends while a robot is attempting to remove a ball from the bottom of a goal that contains 3 balls, and the top ball remains partially above the top edge of the goal, that ball will still be considered scored without penalty. Rule SG6 states that teams may not intentionally remove balls from the field. While balls may accidentally leave the field when attempting to score, doing so intentionally or repeatedly would be a violation of this rule. Balls that leave the field during match play, intentionally or unintentionally, should be returned to the field by the head referee at their discretion and when it is safe to do so. Perhaps most important is Rule SG8. This rule states that robots may not have greater than momentary possession of more than 3 balls of its opposing alliance's color at once. If a robot does find itself possessing more than 3 balls of the opposing alliance's color at once, they must stop all actions and attempt to remove the excess ball. The overarching intent of this rule is to prohibit each robot from keeping more than 3 of the opposing balls from being used by the opposing alliance, but ensure that incidental violations do not become match affecting. Part of the definition of possession is blocking opposing robots' access to balls, such as by expanding horizontally and restricting access to a portion of the field, e.g. a wall bot. Put simply, as far as possession is concerned, a defensive wall bot does not violate SG8 as long as 3 or more of the offensive alliance's balls are not being blocked at once. That's all for Chapter 8. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other chapters in this referee training series.